Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop down menu in a WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply go to the www.wordpress.com in the search bar, then simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. From here what you need to do is simply click on the edit side option here in the right hand side of the quick links, and it will simply transfer you to the another tab where you will get the option of navigation. Here you can see we have already got that option of navigation. Just simply click on it, and after that simply choose a navigation from here. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. From here you have to just simply click on the three dot icon here in the top, then here you have to just simply click on the edit icon, and once you click on the edit icon just simply choose a tab. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. Simply choose this, then you have to just simply choose this icon from here and resume website, and here you have to just simply click on the sub menu option, and once you click on the sub menu option, here you can see that the drop down arrow is already showing here. Now you can just simply add the text that you would like to add. So let's say I'd like to add a plus icon here, and here you can see just simply add a link, and here you can see if you just simply click on the below icon or the drop down arrow, here you can see that the file I have already previously attached is showing now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.